Hello, welcome to Intro to Small Business. This video will show you how to complete assignment 1.01 Introductions. In your Google Classroom Intro to Small Business, go to your Classwork tab. You have two choices for seeing your assignments. One, you can click the View Your Work tab to see all of the assignments you must complete. Or two, you could scroll down to the unit where that assignment is. Week 1, Unit 1 has all of the assignments that begin with 1. And here is the assignment we are talking about now, Introductions. You will see the icon in the front of the title for Introductions. It has a question mark in it. That means that it is a question you will answer in the discussion board. Click on the assignment to open it. Click on View Question. Your question appears up here, and then you write the answers in the discussion board. Answer these questions in the discussion board. Who are you? Why are you taking this class? Read information from the other students in the class and respond to some of them. I have already written an answer into the discussion board, and I can click on See Classmates Answers, and I can go through and read about my classmates, and I can choose to reply for example, and click Post. You can use your back arrow to go back to the main classwork page. This concludes how to complete assignment 1.01 Introductions in the Google Classroom for Intro to Small Business.